What's going on? What's going on, man? I'm just now getting off work. I'm about to go pick up the G. You get me? That's when you just time to take, so we can talk about the. I had made a video about the issues I had with my G, and I want to tell you what was wrong with my G. From the beginning, the throttle hesitation was from the ECU, bad ECU. And it also, at the same time, was a bad ECU. Also, my intake hose from my crankcase to my cold air intakes was backwards. So it made it pinch. So it was like only half of the air was coming through there. That's two things. So they got to be on the right way, or it's not going to fit right. It's going to be like pinching. It's not going to let all the air through. Two things. Three things. I also think this happened like after the fact, so after it was messed up. Cause I think I put some, I don't know, man. I don't know how this my fuel pump went out. You know what I'm saying? And that's when I was getting that. When the fuel pump went out, is when I was getting that no crank. Well, it was getting a crank, no start. Was the fuel pump, and no check engine light, nothing like that. And the only way I figured that out, cause I took it up to the mechanic. But before I took it to the mechanic, I had got the car towed, and the tow truck driver had a jump box with a damn diagnostic tool on the jump box, and that shit showed that it was fucking. It showed that they didn't have no Hold on. It showed that it didn't have no gas going to the injectors from the jump box. You feel what I'm saying? And I want to say the jump box is called a hill down jump box. I've been trying to find it, but I haven't found it, man. So I'm gonna try to put the link in the description if I can find it. The tow truck man said you get it off of eBay for $60. Hill down, I think. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna look it up again, man. But it definitely showed me exactly what the problem was, and I need to buy one of those myself, man. Like, cause that was on point. You know what I'm saying? So I went and took my car to the shop. I go to a shop called 1010s Motorsports out here. I can put the fuel pump in myself, but I wanted my car the next day. This is like the next day. I dropped off on Monday and it's done right now. I'm going home to go get the key and pick it up. But I paid $500 for that shit, man. But I know it's high as hell, man. But I wanted my car today. I didn't want to wait a week. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta hustle harder. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go out here, hustle harder. You feel what I'm saying? So it is what it is. I need my car. You know what I'm saying? Like now. So I wasn't trying to order the piece and wait 3 days and I gotta wait till hell no. I need my shit now. You feel what I'm saying? Only reason I paid that money, man. But now I know I will never pay it again. You know what I'm saying? I know now. I know better. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to buy that piece, that hill down jump cable diagnostic tool, if I can find it. If I can find it. You know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to let y'all know what was wrong with my car. Acceleration, hesitation, bad ECU. It kept, and if your car keeps, I'm gonna give you some other symptoms it was doing. If your car keeps throwing the same code, you keep changing the same part, ECU. If you go to AutoZone and you put the scan, or if you put a scan tool on your car and it takes forever to read, ECU. It should only take like 2 seconds to read that ECU. It does not take long. If it takes 5 minutes, like if my car was doing, I take that shit to AutoZone, I put a scan tool on it, take about 5 minutes for that shit to read. And then another thing I was noticing after I got the ECU fixed, after I got the car retuned, when the fuel pump was going out, my flame map wasn't working. It was hella stuttering. It was like not trying to shoot no flames out. But you can hear that shit stuttering, like trying to cut off. So I took it to the mechanic. He tried to tell me that's what it does. But I ain't no fool now. Come on now. That's not what it does. Because I've been flame mapping the whole time until now. But yeah, but everything should be fixed, man. I'm on the way. I'm gonna get some gas and stuff. But I'm gonna end this video right now. Those are the symptoms, man, I was going through with that throttle hesitation. For sure, is that ECU. And your flame map ain't doing right. Fuel pump, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Like, share, subscribe, man. I might pick the camera back up when I get the car, man, just to let y'all know how I was riding. I'm gonna get back with you.